gonna show you how to create this Siren Eye. So I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and blow it out more towards the tail of the brow bone. Now I'm gonna take my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. You can tell how much I use this. Dip into one of the warmer, darker browns. I'm gonna diffuse it on the ends. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Am I happy with that? Anastasia eye primer, flat brush. Place that on about 2/3 of my eye if we wanna do measurements. Take this light color here and just pounce that on the lighter part. Voila, we like that. I take this slick waterline pencil from Melt in the color Cacao. Follow that through to the inner tear duct. Did anybody else grow up in the emo phase of our lives where we just wore dark eyeliner every day? Yeah, me neither. Smoke that out and then bring this outwards and diffuse. Liquid liner point made from one size in Bodacious Black. I want the liner to be really tight to the lash line, but super elongated from the ends to the inner corners. All right, now we're gonna do mascara. I wanna really coat mainly the end lashes. These are the Sephora Collection Lily Lashes in 34th Street. Now this is where it gets tricky, my friends. Basically the lash needs to lay on top of the liner and not against the lash line completely. Here's where you want it to hit the lashes, and then it's gonna work upwards on top of the liner, like that. Ooh, okay. And that, my friends, is a Siren Eye. Hope you try it out.